Hello friends, welcome to Rajavalli Education channel. In this video, we are going to see the atomic structure of nitrogen atom. Its atomic number is 7. Its symbol is N. In this atom, 7 electrons are present. Among these 7 electrons, 2 electrons are present in the K shell. The rest of the 5 electrons are present in the L shell. These electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Nucleus consists of protons and neutrons subatomic particles. In this atom, 7 protons and 7 neutrons are present. Using this number of protons and neutrons, we can calculate mass number of nitrogen atom. Sum of protons and neutrons is called mass number of nitrogen atom. So, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 is the mass number of nitrogen atom.